I miss you when we're not together. I'm growing up so fast. See how big I've grown since you saw me last. As I grow, I change a lot. The years will fly right by. You'll wonder how I grew so quick, when and where and why. So look upon this handprint that's hanging on your wall, and memories will come back of me when I was very small.
Aww. I love it, Katie.
That was just yes.
That's very nice.
Friday.
Friday. Well, you did a great job at that.
Hold it up.
And I got this.
What else is in there?
I'll read.
Okay. Please do.
Mama. My mom is sweet as a flower.
Uh-huh.
She's as sweet as candy. She is as smart as me.
I love it.
But most of all, she is as special as a butterfly.
Aww, thank you. What is that?
She's mom.
Uh-huh.
Marvelous. Outstanding and most smartest mom in the world.
I agree.
And it's lots.
Okay. Do you want to read it? Okay. All about Mom.
I don't have to.
Okay.
My mom is 35 years old.
Uh-huh. That's true.
She likes to do yoga.
Okay. What else?
I was guessing.
That's fine.
The best thing she cooks is that.
Oh, yeah?
Her favorite food, I just guessed.
What'd you say? What did you say? Ham. I do like ham.
I knew that.
What else?
Her favorite thing to do to relax is lay on the bed.
Yeah.
I knew that one. Mama, we like to play together.
We do like to play together, don't
What
we?
if I wrote sleep together? That would be weird. We like to play together. Mama, she is really good at jump roping.
Well, thank you.
And I think I did bow roping.
Oh, no E, but that's okay. I know it is.
I know.
Yeah, it's okay. What's the last one?
And you can see my mom is that special because she likes to read.
I do like to read. And I like to read when you do things like that. That's awesome, Katie. Is there one last page?
Yes.
Whoa, what do you have?
Dear Mom, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for making it.
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for making a paper airplanes for me. Love, Katie. Come here. Give me a hug. Yeah, you did such a good job on that. I love it.
And color.
Thank you.
I didn't mean to make color. Because when I was writing this at Mrs. Matilda's table, it was like on this, so I made colors.
Gotcha. What is that? What's the name? Oh, it says Happy Mother's Day. Wow, I love all that purple. Did you pick that because it's my favorite color? Yeah.
I didn't write Katie.
Mama, what is it? What did you find? Huh?
We're done with this card.
Uh-huh.